Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to check iPhone is original or duplicate. We will see detailed process in this video. So now let's start as a demonstration. Before start the video, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. First of all, we need serial number on your iPhone. So first of all, I enter here setting, general, about us, and look at this here. You just simply copy the serial number, copy, and after copy that serial number you just simply type here Google check your service and support coverage. Otherwise you just simply click in this link. I already added this link in video description. So this is a official Apple link and Apple platform. You just simply put it here your serial number. So this is my serial number and this is a captcha you need to put it here, case sensitive 72, and just simply send, and boom, my iPhone 16 Pro is a genuine. I purchased just this September and serial number. So this iPhone is original, not duplicate. You can apply this process and verify your iPhone is original or not original. If you really like this video, so please hit the bell icon, share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.